Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Senji-Sen Pet Camera. Now, the manufacturer reached out, asked if I'd be interested in checking this out, and I said, sure, send it over. After all, I have an English lab and a Siberian cat that may enjoy this thing, so we'll see how it works out. What's nice about this, at least on paper, is that it has dual band Wi-Fi support. It can be wall mounted if you so choose, which may be incredibly beneficial. The camera system gives you a 130-degree wide angle full HD stream, so that should also be nice. We'll see how it actually performs. Two-way communication. Hopefully the mic and speaker on it sound good. You don't want a system like this that will scare your pet, so hopefully it lives up to expectation. So they're just letting you know, live HD wide angle video, treat tossing. Hopefully you don't, it doesn't have too much of a trajectory. Night vision, as expected, dual track audio, and nail-free mounting, so that means they're going to use some kind of adhesive. There's the wall mounting and standing, and then on the back, this does support iOS and Android, of course, so that you can use their app. So that pretty much covers everything you need to know. Let's get it out of the box, see what this thing looks like. And in the past, I've had a little bit of experience with products like this, and really not so great. So I'm hoping for a better result with this thing, but if it doesn't work out, nothing really lost. And I will let all of you know. I can tell you already the form factor is considerably smaller, I feel like, than the previous device, and that's a good thing. I want something that is not going to intimidate either of my pets, and hopefully this thing does the job without scaring them or intimidating them, because that is the goal. The idea here is to bring something nice to your pets, not to scare the crap out of them. So it looks just like it did on the box, right? The treat dispensing is there, speaker is there, camera is there. I'm assuming that is the night vision IR, or is that, yeah, that's what it looks like. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Mic here so that you can hear what your pet has to, I won't say, but respond. Our charging brick right here, which is pocketed inside of where you're going to place the treats. So that's pretty straightforward. And on the back, your wall mounting, well, here you're going to wrap around the cord for threading that in. Once you have it connected, the power port is where? Where is that power port? Instructions could be followed. There's a little button there, which I'm assuming is to power it on. So it's right there. I should have seen that right at the top, right? So you just thread it around this, pop that in, hit the wall outlet, and you're good to go. So we'll see how this thing works. I mean, hopefully it does the trick and doesn't scare either of my boys away. And of course, I'm in the house with them. We are still, unfortunately, in the course of a pandemic, so it's not like I'm leaving the ship too frequently. So this is just a nice thing to have in the instance that I'm literally not at their side. So just a cool thing that hopefully works well. Nice rubber top here for the treat bay, as I will call it. But that's pretty much it. Again, the Senji-Sen Pet Camera and treat feeder for cats and dogs. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.